And one last quick video. I just want to show you guys how fast this will come back up to fire. You see the fire is burned down. You see how it's just a glowing red in there. There's no fire in there. But you will notice that it is hot. She's hot. So watch what happens here when I throw in a couple of sticks. I'm just going to throw a couple of sticks in there like that. Let them one start burning. They'll fire up. They're probably already burning. Yeah, they're already burning. So let's let them burn for just a second. Come out here. No smoke to speak of. And just let them start burning there for a second. That was setting, that firebox burned for about 40 minutes to let it get down to that from a charge from burning up, you know, when I have it burning and I got a flame up here. But as you'll notice, that flame's already back there. See, it didn't take much at all. And there is no smoke coming out of the chimney. So I just thought, and it's obvious that I got no trickery film going on here. But I hope you guys like my little design here. I'm impressed with it. Like I said, I'm going to continue to develop it. By the time I'm done, it'll be a phenomenal wood furnace with near unlimited capabilities and small. I mean, when you look at the size of this thing right here, it's less than it's 4 foot tall tops. It's not even 4 foot. I mean, here's a coffee pot in relation to it, in relation to that stove right there. It's quite small when you think of the amount of heat that is produced by this little unit. See, now I just add a few more sticks in there like that. 3 more sticks is what I put in. And I'll keep it burning like that, and it won't start. It will not smoke as long as I do that. As long as I don't try to charge it heavy and get it burning with a bunch of wood. This is what I get. I'm going to try to further develop one that's got a little bit bigger burn chamber that you can possibly charge it for a few hours worth of wood with the same results. I don't know how I'll do that though. But as you can see, that I just put wood in it again. No smoke. But it did come right back up to temperature immediately. So there you have it with what I've came up with so far. I got a glass door in the works because I just love this. That's just so intense. I just love to see that. That's something that could hypnotize a man if he wasn't real careful, if you know what I mean. That's just one intense flame. Look at how the flame is coming off that firebox in the back. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's literally coming off the box. It ain't even really burning the wood. The wood's not really on fire. It's all the gases that are created in there. You can't really see it like I can see it, but the wood does not have a flame on it. A few pieces do, but the majority of the wood is not burning. It's just decomposing and turning into gas, and the gases are rising up in the chimney. I don't know if you can see it, how intense they're going up in that little 2.5-inch square tube that's totally insulated right there, and 1/2 inch on either side, plus a 1/4 inch thickness of the wall of the tube. So it's really insulated. I'm going to go ahead and put this other door back on now though. And there's the other door back on. I'm gonna come around here and see there's absolutely no smoke. A little bit. I probably shut the door too tight, that's what I did. I don't have the holes done in the draft yet right here. I'm going to put holes behind here so it'll draft right through there. On the glass door I build, I'll probably put some vertical slots there with some vents that'll open up. I don't know. That'll be another day. But yeah, see, it's already... Yeah, there's a little smoke, but... So all I got to do is fiddle fuck around right here with these drafts a little bit and figure out where it's set at good to eliminate that smoke, and she goes away. I did kind of add a little wood too soon, probably, without letting the first batch quite get fired up enough. You can see she's cleaning right up. I mean, there's a little smoke, but where there's smoke, there's fire. You can't have total fucking clean burn, I guess. I just keep tinkering with it. Eventually I'll have her down though to where it don't smoke at all. I mean, I keep messing with it. I want to have it to where anybody would be able to just buy an adjustment, an assigned adjustment. There we go. Now we got the smoke gone again. Until I say something. Anyway, I'm going to keep tinkering with it. That's all a man can do. Keep refining it and refining it till he gets what he wants. Anyway, that's my stove. And that's where it's built to so far. I hope you like it. That shouldn't have happened. That is hot. Right there. Alright, peace out, folks. See you later.